Anytime something new comes along, everybody wants a bite. Don't happen overnight.
So we did this training to get people together. I mean, the team made a huge effort, not just me, obviously, but the whole product managers, R&D, and I think it was a time to show to everyone and to explain in a more coherent way what we have done, what are the building blocks, how to join them together. And also it was an opportunity to bring everyone here to Herisau. There are people that came from Australia, from America, from UK. And to be honest, it was quite nice to be all together. Many of these people, I've only seen them on Teams. So just to see their faces, it was actually quite nice. And we also took the opportunity to show them other ideas that we were working on, things, they gave us input, if some ideas will work or not. So it was also not just about our ribbon end-to-end solution, it was also about future projects. And to me, the most important part, just to keep it aside, was to celebrate the team because they have done an amazing job. Dimitri, Rafi, Joel, Lucas, and many more that they were not on the presentation. And have a good time together and have fun, because we like to have fun in the ribbon end-to-end.
I attended this ribbon end-to-end training from the UK, and it was incredible working with people from all over the world, and it was very interactive, and that's one of the things I loved about it. And having very professional people teach you new and upcoming things as well was really, really great.
My name is Nathan Plummer, sales manager from Australia in the communications channel. Just came and attended the ribbon end-to-end training. It was great to get some company insights from different regions and to learn about new and upcoming products that we've got in our catalogue.
My name is Helgis Beckeris. I'm the Fiber Solutions Manager for the US. I came for this ribbon fiber solution training here. It was really great. It was very nice presented. We really have a great hands-on training on the second day. Great. We learned a lot out of it. And also interaction with people from all over the world. It was good for our team building.
I'm Tim Newton from Australia. Came down to Herisau to attend the ribbon end-to-end splicing solutions, and it was a very well organised, very well presented training. We're going to take away quite a lot, and it was always these trainings are really good to have the interaction with everybody else that come from all over the world to attend it. So well done everybody for putting on such a great training. Thank you.